In this video we're going to explain how to enter the grades for the weekly assessments that we give to our students, and we're going to start with speaking. How do we enter speaking grades? So we've done the speaking exam with our students in class, we've taken notes on the points we want to give them, and now we have to translate that into Blackboard. So I'm going to go into one of my courses. This is my Module 5 Summer School Prep Level 4 Classroom 1, and I go straight down here to my grade center, and then I would go to full grade center, and here we go. There's a lot of stuff here, so a good suggestion is change the number of rows displayed. I have 16 students, so you can see all my students, and now we have the attendance part, but we're going to keep on going. CP is course participation, week 2, course participation week 3. We keep on going. OW, online work. VQ, vocabulary and grammar. RE, reading, writing, listening, speaking. So I have to grade my students on their speaking week 2, and now on speaking week 6 I have to enter a grade. So let's say I have the student Nazlijan, I want to enter a grade. I do not type in the number straight away. I have to use a rubric, and I'll find the rubric like this. I go into view grade details, and here I have Nazlijan, a Python, and I have to give her a grade, and I can go here to the view, the rubric, and here is the rubric we can use. Grammar, fluency, vocabulary, coherence, interactive communication, and it's literally all you have to do is click. So this student is 2.5, she has appropriate vocabulary, and then it gives me a total of 71.88. We save that score. If I want to type some feedback to the learner, I can type it in here, and I have to click save. Now her grade has been saved, and then I can either go to the following student, clicking here in the same column, so I don't have to go in and out of the menu, or I could return to the grade center, clicking on the grade center, and it will take me back to the page where we were. This is how we enter grades for our speaking exams. Now we're going to take a look at how we enter grades using Blackboard and for the writing component. This is part of our bi-weekly exams that we give to our students. So again, we're on our course home main page, and we're going to go down to the grade center, and again, full grade center. The writing, just like speaking, uses a rubric. So we're going to have to go and use a rubric just like the speaking. It literally is exactly the same process as speaking. So we're going to go down to the reading, writing, listening, speaking. This is writing week 5. This is the one I have to grade. View grade details. And once again, I go into her page, Nazlijan and Python, and I'm going to go to the rubric. And it goes in halves, just like the speaking, and there is 4 different sections, and each section is divided into 4 areas by half. So once again, you can click on whatever you've decided through her writing, and again she gets 71.88. I save, I can write some feedback, I can write some feedback on her grade, and finally just save her score. Here it is. If I don't like it, I can clear the attempt, I can edit it whenever I want. But if I'm happy with the score I've given her, I can go back to the grade center, and as you can see, now she has a 71.88. The reason this is in green and red is meeting our standards. 70% is the required passing, or at least it's the grade that we require our students. So if it's green, it means they passed our standard. If it's red, it's below our standard. It's not a fail, but it's below our standard. So this is how we enter grades for our...
Okay, so we're going to have a look at how to enter the grammar and vocabulary grades as well as the reading exam grades. So the first thing you have to do, go to the Grade Center, full Grade Center. Now there isn't a rubrics for the grammar and vocab tests, so what you have to do is have a look at the paper, and because the papers are out of 20, we're going to need to convert that to 100%. So we have the grammar and the vocabulary, grammar here, vocabulary here, as well as the reading. So to convert them, pretty easy, 5% increments, so 1, 5% all the way up to 1995, 20, 100%. So once you've got the percentage, grammar, let's type it in and press enter, and the grade will be